In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your contacts using app. ConstantContact.com, a vital tool for anyone looking to optimize their email marketing efforts. Let's dive right in and get you started on merging your contact lists efficiently. As you begin, you'll first want to log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub, offering a comprehensive overview of your campaigns, reports, and, most importantly, your audience. It's important to familiarize yourself with this space, as it will be your starting point for many tasks. To proceed, click on the Audience tab located at the top of the page. This section allows you to manage and organize your email list and gives you insight into your audience's preferences. From here, select Lists and Segments. You'll be redirected to a page displaying all your contact lists, which are organized segments used for targeted communication. Next, review the lists and select the main contact list you'd like to work with. Once you've chosen the list, look for the Action button at the top, usually represented as a drop-down menu. Click this button, and when the drop-down appears, select Merge. This function is beneficial for consolidating multiple smaller lists into a larger, more comprehensive list, giving you a streamlined contact database. After choosing Merge, you'll be prompted to click on the list you want to merge into. Ensure you select the correct list, as this action cannot be undone easily. The target list will be the one you want all your selected contacts to be added to, essentially merging all the contacts from the original list into this new destination list. Once you've chosen the destination list, confirm the merge by clicking Merge Lists. You may also see a button labeled Add. Make sure to click it to complete the process. This step involves combining all entries from your current list with your selected target list. It's a crucial step, so double-check before you proceed to ensure no errors in contact transfer. Finally, upon completion of the merge, take a moment to notice how the contacts within your chosen list have changed to include those from your initial list. Congratulations! You've successfully merged your contact lists, making it easier to manage and execute your email campaigns effectively. This makes targeting specific audiences much more streamlined and helps maintain a clean and updated contact database. This process can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your email marketing strategies by ensuring you can reach out to a well-organized audience with content tailored to their preferences. By regularly managing your contact lists, you optimize your communication and ensure that your audience engagement remains high. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.